Gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home tonight. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home tonight. All night, all night. I am B for vibe, moving to my life. What's mine on that QGTM type of time now? I'm not sorry, this drove a Rari. Big energy, his bling was really blinding. Them be my type, scheme with him all through the night. He hits me up and give me pain, and then we catch a flight. From time to time, I know it's wrong, but it feels so right. I know that it feels so right. What's done is done, the devil steady testing me. Tease me gently like expensive trees, like it's your expertise. Touched by V, you know it's blessed. And baby, I need you. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home tonight. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? All night, all night. I need you back. You give me peace of mind, with you I never lack. I want you back. You hold it down just like the piece that's on your back. We argue, we fuck up, we argue, that's love. Them petty games that you play put you through the same thing. Them petty games that you play put you through the same.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details of space and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Beautyforever hair. Shout out to you, Beautyforever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. I want to go ahead and preface this video by saying that y'all, this unit has no glues. No, what's glues, girl? This unit has no glue, no spray, no adhesive. Literally, I plopped her on my head and called it a day, honey. Okay, literally that's it, that's all. But before we even get into that, let me give you guys the details and specs on this unit that was sent to me by the company. Alright y'all, so on the site it says Beautyforever Glueless Wear Go Pre-Cut Lace Wig, Body Wave 4x4, 6x4.75, 5x5 lace closure wig. Now, if I'm not mistaken, you can get this unit in different textures. Let me look. Yeah, okay, so with this unit, you can get it in a body wave or Jerry Curly. I obviously have Jerry Curly. This unit is available in the 4x4 pre-cut lace, the 6x4.75 pre-cut transparent lace, and the 5x5 pre-cut HD lace. This unit is available in 16 to 28 inches in both the body wave and the Jerry Curly. Now I have the length that I have is 16 inches. So yeah, and that's pretty much it, all that they have on their site. So I'm gonna go and see. They wanted me to mention certain things, and you guys know I always say I got the memory of a flea, and I'm nobody's actress, so I don't never remember my lines. So I'm gonna go on here and read what they said. So it says air wig. It says especially to show the breathable and elastic air net inside. It's great. It's super great to use in hot season. Keep cool. So they're just talking about like the cap is more of a breathable cap and is not as hot as your average wig. Pre-cut lace is convenient. It doesn't need glue. Just install it or use some spray and do baby hair. It's enough. So if you want to use spray, you can. If you want to use glue, you can, but it's not needed. You don't have to use any adhesive unless you want to, or unless you want to use some spray and do some baby hair or whatever. But as far as the unit in itself, it needs no glue or any adhesive, and I did not use any other things. And wear and go, easy to install and easy to remove, could be a daily removable wig. So if I came home, walked in my house, I'll snatch old girl off and get in my bed, okay? Because it's not adhered. So those are the details and specs that they gave me on this unit. So as far as me, y'all, look at this hairline. Did they do their thing or did they do their thing, girl? Okay, on top of it being pre-cut lace, the only thing I did to this unit was bleach the knots, and that's not something that was necessarily necessary. It's just that I've been doing it lately and it's like kind of my thing right now. But I don't feel like this unit necessarily needed to have the knots bleached. I just bleached them. As far as the texture, I love the texture. You guys know I love a good Jerry curly. I know it is not everybody's favorite, but I love a good short Jerry curly unit, and I feel like it's great for the hotter months, like especially with this length. I feel like this unit in itself is just great for this time of season. And yeah, as far as it being big head friendly, it does have that elastic band. It does not have adjustable straps, but it has that elastic band, and you can make it as tight or as loose as you want it. So I have mine pretty tight, so I feel like it's more big head friendly than not. But girl, do with that what you want to do with that, because I am an average cap size. So yeah, now that is it for the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you know I like to end on a high note. So my con is gonna be I ain't got nail. Like usually I could say it don't have any combs or something like that, but honey, she got all the combs. I have no con. Like this is just a perfect beginner friendly wig, so no con. Now the pros are endless. Oh girl can't pre-tweezed, okay? Oh girl can't pre-cut. Okay, oh girl, this is the type of unit you can just throw on and go on about your life, honey, okay? Love the texture, love the length, love that the cap is breathable, love that this is the perfect spring summer wig. I even got on my summer dress. Boom, okay, those are the pros. I almost skipped this part, honey, because I'm like, obviously I would recommend it. Obviously I would recommend the unit, like for the same reason that I listed as all the pros. Alright y'all, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit. Let me know if it's a look, it's a vibe. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Beautyforever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. I do want to go ahead and say I think this will be my last video that I film here. Okay, I'll be in another background. I'll probably have the same background, but just in a different location. Okay, because we're moving. Okay, we're moving. We're moving. We're moving. So I may have a different setup. I don't know, but yeah, it's the end of an era and we're entering a new era. So yay for us. Now let's close out this video, girl. So if you're interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.